Spicy jackfruit seeds stir fry. Boil water in a pan. Add salt as required. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 2 cups jackfruit seeds, peeled and sliced into thin pieces. Cover with a lid and allow it to cook. Once the jackfruit seeds are cooked, strain and set it aside. Heat 2 tablespoon coconut oil in a pan. Splatter 1 teaspoon mustard seeds in it. Now crush 10 garlic cloves, 10 shallots, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, and 4 dried chilies. Add this to the pan. Sauté until the shallots become translucent. Add 2 teaspoon garam masala. Stir well. Now add the cooked jackfruit seeds. Give it a good mix. Sauté until the slices become slightly crispy. Spicy jackfruit seeds stir fry is ready to be served.